This is the tutorial on how to set custom price for product. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification. First, click on the Administration tab. Next, click on Branch Management. Click on the branch name. At the submenu on the left, choose Products. Click on the drop-down arrow beside the product that you want to choose. Click on the Edit icon. As the product description appear on the right, click Add Custom Price. Fill in the details for the new custom price. Click Save. The new custom price for the product are now added. Now let's see how user can select the custom price. Click the Billing tab. Choose Orders. Select the desired order. Click Add Product. Choose the product that have been custom the price. When click on the price, user can now able to choose the price that has been customized. Make sure a comment are added or a warning will appear. Click Save. The new price has now been updated for the product. Thank you for watching. Here are some video suggestions that you can also watch.